In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unregister GCash if you changed your cell phone. If you've switched to a new device, this quick process helps keep your account secure and lets you sign in smoothly on your new phone. Before we begin, make sure you're connected to the internet and that you can open the GCash app on the phone you want to remove. It also helps to have access to your mobile number for any verification codes you might receive later. Start by opening the GCash app on your current phone. From the home screen, look for the Profile option and tap it. This takes you to your account area where you can manage your personal information and security settings. Next, go to Account Security. This is where GCash keeps the tools that control device access and other protections for your account. Inside this section, look for a small arrow pointing downward. Tap that arrow to expand additional options related to your device. You'll see the option to unregister phone. Tap Unregister Phone to begin removing this device from your GCash account. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read it carefully, and when you're ready, tap Yes, Unregister. This confirms that you want to unlink the current phone. Once you do, the device will no longer be recognized as connected to your GCash account, which helps prevent unauthorized access if you're giving the phone away, selling it, or simply moving on to a new device. After unregistering, you're all set to use your new phone. Open GCash on your new device and log in using your account. You may be asked to enter a one-time code sent to your mobile number and to confirm that you trust this device. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be back in your account in no time. Your balance, transaction history, and linked services stay with your account, not the device, so nothing is lost by unregistering the old phone. That's the entire process. Open GCash, go to Profile, head into Account Security, expand the options with the arrow, choose Unregister Phone, confirm with Yes, Unregister, and then sign in on your new device. Taking these steps ensures your account stays secure and that only your chosen phone has access. If anything looks different on your screen due to app updates, the names may vary slightly, but the flow is the same and the Unregister option will still be in Account Security.